Power Team Maintenance, pressure watching, lawn care. Our telephone number is 352-342-0364. Today, I have to pressure watch this house. I want to show you. I need to show you. We're going to pressure watch this. See this? All this. You're going to pressure watch this. Okay? Look. This is the video number 1. I have to pressure watch this too today. Okay? And I gotta do the driveway. This is the driveway. I have to pressure watch it today in the house. Look at the driveway. I gotta pressure watch this. See, I have to pressure watch this. I wanna show you the house. I gotta pressure watch it. This is the house. I have to pressure watch it. Look this. Okay, I wanna start it right here. Look the house. How look there. That's the house. You're gonna pressure watch it. Look this. That's the house. We're gonna pressure watch it today. See, that's the house. You gotta do pressure watch it today. See how it looks? See that the house I'm gonna pressure wash it today. Looking around here, how it looks. Power Team Maintenance. That's the house I'm gonna pressure wash it today. Look the house, how it looks. I'm gonna show you right here. You can see the difference now, how it looks now. That's gonna be pressure wash it today. That's gonna be pressure washer today by Power Team Maintenance. That screen over there, inside and outside. You can see the difference when I finish this. Power Team Maintenance, the thing you can trust. That telephone number is at 352-342-0364. Power Team Maintenance, pressure watching. You have to call the number. Power Team Maintenance, Ang telephone number is 352-342-0364. Lawn Care and Pressure Washer. Ocala, Florida.